Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MieshaLave, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make inexpensive fur slides. So I have been seeing fur slides trending over social media, so I'm going to show you guys how to make them with little to no money. So I'm going to be using these slides right here. I just purchased these from a local store that I shop at in my city, and you can find these slides at Walmart. These right here, they already have like a small amount of fur on them, but that really doesn't matter. I would have got them from Walmart, but Walmart didn't have the color that I wanted. They had like pink and blue, so I wanted like some white or black slides. These slides were $4.99. You can either go buy some with little money, or you can use the ones that you already have for no money. We're gonna be using some wax paper. This is just a household item that you can get out your kitchen. So we're just gonna use this to outline the slide. You're gonna need some scissors and a glue gun. Now I purchased this glue gun from Walmart. I had this glue gun a long time, so I didn't have to purchase this recently. I use this for all of my crafting, and it was very inexpensive. I think these are like $5 at Walmart. And all I do is just purchase a pack of glue sticks so that I can reuse it. Last but not least, you're gonna need some fur. So I purchased my fur from Joann's Fabrics, but you guys can pick up fur from Walmart, Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, wherever you can find fur at, use it. I already had this fur laying around the house, so I didn't have to purchase anything for this video except for the slides because I didn't already have any. I have had this fur for so long, and I have made so many projects out of this fur, and I think I only purchased like a yard, and it lasts. Before we get into this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn that post notification bell on so that you guys can get notified once I upload new videos. So the first step, we're gonna start off by making a template with the wax paper so that we can cut out the fur. Now if you're using any other type of boa or anything like that, you can just skip this step, but since I have fur fabric, I have to cut it out. So the easiest way I figured out to cut out the fabric is by making a template so that I don't mess up any unnecessary fur. So these are the templates for both shoes, and I don't really know why I just made two templates because you really can just use one. But what I was gonna say is when you're cutting out the template, cut it out this size of the actual slide, the top of it where you want the fur to be. But when you're cutting on the fur, make sure that you like add like a ½ inch around, because you want to make sure that you have, it's better to have more fur than not enough fur. So, and then I want this fur slide to be very fluffy, so I want it to come down all the way to the edges, and then I'm gonna tuck a little under here so that the fur can like stick out. This fur can get very, very messy. So make sure before you do this project, you're somewhere where you don't care about fur getting everywhere, or just be prepared to pick it up. fur, I'm gonna make sure that I don't place my fur to where it is laying down, because you want your fur to be really, really puffy. So you're gonna make sure that it's laying the opposite way, so when you push it down, it's like flaring up. So this is very, very easy. All you're gonna do is align the edges.
Is this another prank?
No. Why would I be pranking you with fur? I'm not even gonna prank you no more.
Lies, you tell.
So this part is very, very easy. All you have to do is align the edges and make sure that you leave a little bit on the outside so you can fold it over.
And then it's gonna be like,
what your YouTube channel gonna be about?
Me, myself, and my.
Get out my video.
Me, myself, and mine. You, my, baby. Me, myself, and mine. See, you ain't even catch that.
That's a cute YouTube name.
Me, myself, and mine. You know that. Shit, you thought I was playing. I was dead serious. Me, myself, and mine.
Me and mine.
You always gotta turn to some more stuff. It's only you and you.
Baby, tonight, baby, I feel it. I know you feel it too. Baby, I want it. I know you want it too.
That concludes this video. Leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. I hope this tutorial was very easy to follow. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys use to make your first slides, if you know how to make them, and give me some video ideas on what you guys want to see next. Follow me on my social media. My Snapchat is Queen-Isha with 2 A's. My Instagram and also my Twitter is MieshaLave_. As always, all of the items that I used in this video will be in the description box, as well as the links to my social media. And also, my social media will be pinned in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.